Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here and welcome everybody to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Windows 10 guys. It's a very short tutorial, so please do follow me. The first thing what you have to do is make sure that you go to your start over here and make sure that you hit settings over here. After you hit settings, make sure that you go to your accounts over here. After going to your accounts, make sure that you go to your sign in options, and after that make sure to click on password. After you click on password, it will show you to change over here, so make sure that you click on change and make sure to enter your current password. After you enter your current password, you can put your new password and make sure that you confirm your new password, and if you want you can give any hints that you want. So make sure that you hit on next and make sure to click on finish, and that's how you can change your password in your Windows 10 guys. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If this tutorial helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll take my leave now guys. I'm AustinEndO here and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.